Guys, so welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can easily earn USDT into your wallet, either your Binance or your Trust wallet, okay, whichever wallet that you are using. All right, now this website is actually paying, and I just want to show you exactly how to earn money using this particular website. All right, now in today's video, that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you. As you can see, I'm having this particular USDT in my wallet. So what we are going to be doing here, we are going to be earning more in this particular wallet, accumulating more to our USDT. What we have here, all right, be showing you here is that this particular website is actually paying, and it's fast. All right, now the good part that I love about this website is that their payout is automatic. Okay, your payment is not going to be going through under admin. All right, once you are requesting for a payment, then your payment is going to be arrived in your wallet. Okay, now if you check this platform very well, you discover that this platform is actually new and it's pay. Okay, now check it very well. Once you sign up, make sure you use my link, because if you use my link, you're going to be awarding $500 for free. Okay, but remember, you won't be able to withdraw this $500, but you can earn more by using this $500. So what we are going to be doing here, if you check it down, you discover the tax or, which is we have the VIP 1, the VIP 2, the VIP 3, and the VIP 4, so on and so forth. All right, now what we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be activating the VIP 1, of which we have $500. So what we are going to be doing is just for us to deposit 200 USDT. Now if you click to unlock it, you discover that please upgrade to your level. All right, now once you successfully created your account using my link, you will be given 500 USDT. And as you can see, here is it. If you click on my account, you will still have your 500 USDT. As you can see, your withdrawal account is 0 USDT. All right, that is to say you cannot be able to withdraw the 500 USDT. Now what we are going to be doing is for us to recharge. Okay, so we click on the recharge button. So once you click on the recharge button, there you'll be given a unique address that you are going to be withdrawing your USDT to. All right, so what we are going to be doing here is for us to copy this. Then we head over to either your Trust wallet or your Binance, whichever wallet that you are using. Okay, now like I said, you can decide to upgrade to level 1 or level 2 or level 3 or level 4, but for the sake of this video, let's make it fast and quick. I'm going to be going for level 1, which is a VIP 1. Now I'm going to be depositing 12 USDT to be able to unlock this. All right, now you head over to the me icon, then you click on the recharge. All right, so once you click on the recharge, then you click to copy this to clipboard, then you head over to your wallet. All right, so we are going to be using Binance. Okay, then you click on withdraw. All right, so once you click on withdraw via crypto network, okay, there you paste the address here. Remember, it's TRC20. okay, you scroll down carefully, then you select the TRC20, and they're going to be charging you 1 USDT. okay, so that is to say you are going to be withdrawing 13 USDT. okay, to make it equal that we are withdrawing 12 USDT. But before that, we have to make sure we check what we are withdrawing. All right, now please do not recharge other non-TRC20 USDT assets. The fund will arrive in your account in about 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. Okay, now then we head back to our Binance account or to our wallet, then we click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, then we confirm it. Okay, all right, there we are going to be confirming it. Okay, as you can see, withdraw in progress. All right, then we head back to be tracking our withdrawal. All right, okay, let me just, all right, so I'm going to be refreshing this. Okay, as you can see, our withdrawal is on process. All right, now what we are going to be doing here, we just have to head to our platform, then you click on recharge completed. Okay, so once you click on recharge completed, then you wait for the confirmation to complete. All right, then after that your account is going to be funded. All right, now let's wait for a while for the network to confirm our withdrawal. All right, on this particular platform. Then let's head back to our home page. Let's keep on refreshing. Okay, let's keep on refreshing. All right, now Bobo, our deposit arrived. Now let's show you how you can easily earn more. Now for you to be able to earn more is by completing a task. I'll show you exactly how you can do that once we successfully purchase our VIP. Okay, now easily earn more by inviting your friends, and to do that it's very simple. All you just need to do, you just have to click on this star icon. Okay, now once you click on the star icon, then you'll be given a unique URL link. Now this unique URL link is what you're going to be sharing with your friends and family to sign up. Now once you successfully sign up, you will be seeing your statistics over here. All right, what they are earning and how they are doing, and I'm refreshing if we have successfully gotten our deposit. All right, now as you can see, here is the time I was making this video. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how this particular platform actually work. Okay, now here is the time. Let's see, as you can see, we have gotten our deposit. Now what we are going to be doing, we're going to be purchasing this VIP one. Now if you click on the VIP one, as you can see, it has been purchased already. Okay, because it's automated platform that you can easily purchase once you have the amount requested for. Now what we are going to be doing, okay, let me just quickly head back home, then show you exactly how this is being done. Now for you to be able to earn and withdraw, you have to make sure you complete a task, and to complete a task is very simple and easy. All you just need to do, you just have to click on this task. Okay, so once you click on the task, then you click on to complete. Okay, now once you click to complete, then you wait for the network to confirm your task. Okay, now as you can see, if we head back to our completed task, you discover that this is what we completed successfully. Okay, now let's click on the me icon. Let's see what we got to withdraw. Okay, now let's click on the withdraw button. Okay, as you can see, we have a 2.2 USDT to be withdrawn. Now but before that, let's see if we can be able to withdraw this. All right, have 24 hours withdrawal. Okay, now what we are going to be doing, we are going to be withdrawing this amount. All right, we are going to be withdrawing this amount, which is 2.2 USDT. All right, then here you have to make sure you include your TRC20 USDT address. All right, now let's head back to my Binance account. Okay, as you can see, this is the time I was making this video. All right, now let's head back to my Binance account. Okay, let's refresh. All right, then let's go to the spot, then let's go to the USDT. As you can see, here is what I'm having. Now I'm going to be clicking on deposit, okay, to get my unique address. All right, remember is on TRC20. Okay, we are going to be copy this to clipboard. All right, I'm going to be copy this to clipboard, then we head back. But before that, let me quickly show you the amount I'm having left in my wallet. All right, here is it, 110 USDT. Okay, so let's head back. Now once we are here, you paste your address here. Now remember, while you are creating an account, you will be asked to provide your security password, and this your security password, you can include digits number. Okay, now will evolve whenever you want to make any withdrawal or any transaction in your account. All right, for security reason. Okay, now I'm going to then click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, let's see what is going to happen next. All right, let's see. As you can see, withdrawal successful. Now let's refresh, then let's head back to my Binance account. As you can see, here is the time I am making this specific video. Okay, let's head back to my, okay, as you can see, I've successfully placed 2.2 USDT to my Binance account. All right, now let's head back and then click on withdraw. Let's see. Okay, nope, not here. Financial record, sorry. All right, financial record. As you can see, I was given 500 USDT then and deposited the sum of 12 USDT. Then withdraw record. Okay, let's see, I'm withdrawing the sum of 2.20 USDT. Now let's head back to my Binance account. All right, now let's keep on refreshing. As you can see, I'm having 110 USDT. All right, so let's head back and let's head back. Okay, let's keep on refreshing. Let's see, let's keep on refreshing. Okay, here is the time I was making this video. As you can see, I'm having deposit of a USDT in progress. As you can see, the good part that I love about this platform is that they don't charge you to withdraw. All right, here is it. As you can see, it has been successfully deposited in my account. Let's refresh it to make it completed. Okay, now here we go. Here is our USDT. Here we go. All right, now this is the coolest and the best platform that I've been making USDT from, and it's actually awesome and it's working. Okay, now if you have any question to ask, drop it down, and if you still want to contact their customer service support, it's very fast and it's reliable. You can just come over here, you click on this icon, then you click to chat with this specific online customer service support. All right, after that you can be able to contact and issue your query. All right, now if you have any question to ask, drop it down below, so you join our Telegram group to be able to get our latest update. All right, now see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. I love you.